Now, let x be any rational number. Let x be any rational number. The rational number is of the form x is equals to p by q, where p and q are co-primes. The prime factorization of q is of the form, the prime factorization of the q is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m. M and n are any integer. If it is q can exist 2 power n into 5 power m, this is a terminating decimal expansion. This is a terminating decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. If it is exist in the form of x is equals to p by q 2 power n into 5 power m, q can exist 2 power n into 5 power m. This is a terminating decimal expansion. If q cannot be expressed is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, it cannot be expressed, it is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, it is non-terminating decimal expansion, non-terminating decimal expansion, or a recurring or repeating expansion, So with this concept we are going to discuss about 1.3. Now exercise 1.3. Now see, write the following rational numbers in their decimal form and also state which are terminating and which are not terminating repeating decimal expansion. See, terminating decimal expansion means if x is a rational number, it is in the form of p by q. Q can be expressed, it is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m, where 2 and m are prime factors. So if it is not exist into 2 power n into 5 power m, this is not a terminating repeating decimal expansion. First one is 3 by 8. 3 by 8. It can be expressed in 2 cube, no? 2 cube into 5 cube into 5 cube. Therefore, 3 into 5 cube by 2 cube into 5 cube. So this can be expressed. This can be expressed something by 2 power n into 5 power m, no? 2 power m into 5 power m, no? So this is a terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. Second one. 229 by 400. See, 229 by 400 can be expressed in the form of 4 into 100, right? 229 by, this is 2 square and this one is 5 square. 5 square, it is in the form of, this is 10 square. 10 square is equals to 2 into 5 whole square. 2 into 5 whole square. This is 229 by 2 square. This is 2 power 4 into 5 square. This is also form of 1 by 2 power n into 5 power m, no? So this is also terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. 229. Next, third one. 4 and 1 by 5. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 5. Multiplied by 2 by 2, right? 42 by 2 power 1 into 5 power 1. This can be expressed into 2 power n into 5 power m, no? So this is also terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. Fourth one is 2 by 11. 2 by 11. Can I factorize? Can I express 11 into prime factorization? We can't. So this is non-terminating repeated. Non-terminating and repeated decimal expansion. Last one is 8 by 125. 8 by fifth one. 8 by 1 to 5. 8 by, this can be expressed in 5 cube, right? 2 cube by 2 cube. Here 8 into 8 by 2 cube into 5 cube. This is also in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So this is terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. Right? This next second one. Second bit. Without performing the actual division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating form or a non-terminating repeating decimal form. See, first one is 13 by 3125. 13 by 3125. This 3125 can be expressed, it is in the form of a prime factorization. So 3125, this is 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are, this is of the form 5 or 4, and this is 5. So denominator can be expressed in 5 to the power of 5. So both numerator and denominator can be multiplied with 2 power 5. So this is of the form, denominator it is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So this is the terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. Second one, 11 by 12. 11 by 12. So 12 can be expressed as a prime factorization, prime product of primes. 2 6 are. 6 can be expressed in 2 3s are. That means 2 square into 3. 11 by 2 square into 3. 4 3s are 12. Here 3 is there. Here 3 is there. Is it in the form of this one? No. Denominator cannot be, it is in the form of, cannot be in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So this is non-terminating repeated. Non-terminating repeated decimal expansion. 64 by third one. 64 by 455, right? 455 can be expressed as a product of primes. 5 9s are 5 1s are 37s are. So 64 can be expressed in 5 into 7 into 13, right? 5 into 7 into 13. Therefore it is not in the form of 2 power, denominator it is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So this is also non-terminating decimal expansion. That means it is a repeated expansion. Next, fourth one, 15 by 1600. See, 15 by 1600. 1600, it is in the form 16 into 100 na? This is 15 by 16 can be expressed in 2 power 4. 100 can be expressed in 10 square. 2 into 5 whole square. That means 2 square into 5 square. This is 15 by 2 power 6 into 5 square. It is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. This is a terminating decimal expansion. Next one, fifth one, 29 by 343. 29 by 343 can be expressed in 7 cube. It is a 7 cube, but it does not exist in 2 power n into 5 power m. So this is also non-terminating repeated decimal expansion, right? Sixth one. Sixth one, 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. directly 2 power n into 5 power m. So it is a terminating decimal expansion. Terminating. Next one, seventh one. 29 by 2 square 5 power 7 into 129 by 2 square into 5 power 7 into 7 to the power of 5. Here 7 to the power of 5 is there, no? It does not exist into 2 power n into 5 power n. So this is non-terminating decimal expansion. 8th one. 9 by 15. 9 by 15. See, 3 3s are 3 5s are 3 by 5 into 2 into 2. That means 6 by 2 power n into 5 power m. It exists in 2 power n into 5 power m. This is a terminating decimal expansion. This is a denominator can be expressed product of 2 primes and 2 power n into 5 power m. So this is a terminating decimal expansion. 36 by 100. 36 by 100. See, 36 by, this can be expressed in 2 square. 2 square into 5 square, right? So this is also in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. So this is a terminating decimal expansion. 10th one. 77 by 210. 77 by 210. Right? 210, 7 11s are 7 30s are. Therefore, 11 by 30 can be expressed as a product of primes. 30, 3 10s are, 2 5s are. That means 3 into 2 into 5. Here is 3 is there, no? So it does not exist in 2 power n into 5 power m. So that's why it is also non-terminating repeated decimal expansion. Right? Next. Which of the following rational numbers in decimal using theorem 1.4? See, first one is 13 by 25. 13 by 25. See, 13 by 25 can be expressed 13 by 5 square into 2 square into 2 square. This is of the form 2 power n into 5 power m. This is a terminating decimal expansion. Second one. 15 by 16. 15 by 16. 15 by 16 can be expressed in 2 power 4. This is also 5 power 4 or 5 power 4. So this is also exist in this form. So this is also terminating decimal expansion. Terminating. Next one. 23 by 5 cube 2 cube 5 square, right? This is directly, denominator directly can be, it is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power m. This is also terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal expansion. Next one. Seven two one eight by 3 square into 5 square. See, 7218 by 3 square means 9 into 5 square. 9 8s are 9 2s are, right? 802 by 5 square into 2 square into 2 square, right? Denominator can be in the form of 1 by 2 power into 5 power m. So this is also a terminating decimal expansion. 143 by 110. 143. 11 10s are, 11 1s are, 11 3s are. It is 13 by 10. 13 by 2 into 5. This is also 2 power 1 into 5 power 1. This is also terminating decimal expansion. This is also terminating decimal expansion. Next, fourth bit. Fourth bit. 43 by, express the following decimal in the form of P by Q and write the prime factors of Q. What do you observe? 43 by 43.123, first one. 43.1. Decimal, three decimals are, three numbers are there, no? After decimal, so 43 by 123 by 1000. Right? P by Q form only. Next, third one. 43.12 bar. See, let x is equals to 43.12 and after point two numbers are there now multiplied with 100 into x. That is, if 100 into x, this can be converted into 4312.12. Therefore, 99x is equals to, see, 99x is equals to minus 4312 minus 43. 12 minus 3, 9. 10 minus 6, 10 minus 4, 6. 4 to 6, 9. 4 to 6, 9. Here is minus getting cancelled. X is equals to 4269 by 99. Right? Next one. If it is divisible by 3, you can do 3 3 is 3 3 is 3 1 is 3 4 is 3 2 is 3 3 is. Right? 11th table, 11 3 is 11 1 is, right? 4 2, 11 3 is no. So 1423 by 33 is the final answer. Next one. .63 bar. Fourth one. 0.63 bar. Let x is equals to 0.63, 0.63, 0.63. Right? Multiplied with 100. 100 into x is equals to 63 point. Coming to this side. 3, 3, 3, 3. Like this. So 99x is equals to minus 63. Getting cancelled, x is equals to 63 by 99. X is equals to 2, third table. 2 3 is 1, 3, 3. 7 by third table. 7 table or 3 table. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 7 by 11. X is equals to 7 by 11. It is in the form of P by Q, no? So this is 1 point. This is 1 point.